Hey Sarah, thanks for meeting me. No mention it. Here they come. Hello, Flash. I see you brought a friend with you. This time, let's make this match personal. Mick, oh, gotcha. Look out! Are you okay? Yeah, I'll take care of Captain Cold, you take care of Heatwave. Let's do this, Snart. You're not smart enough, Flash. Okay, Blondie, time to fry. You hit me, Blondie. My name is Sarah, not Blondie. What are you up to now? You'll see. Looks like I win this time, Flash. Any last words? Heads up. What the? I let that go if I were you. Who hit that? He did. Huh? Okay, you got me, Flash, but Mick's still here. Huh? Any last words? Thanks, guys. You're welcome. DC on 3. 1, 2, 3. DC!